Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I'm just going to crank this motor over to make sure it starts first before I put everything back together. I had to repair a little hose. It was broken here. The problem was the actual timing belt snapped off and bent the valves, exhaust. I think one of the exhaust valves. But today I've done the cam belt. I haven't done the tensioning, I haven't checked the tensioner yet because I've got a special tool for it. This little guy here by Arms Work. That's last. But the main thing is I'll rotate this engine 4 times, make sure nothing is seized up. I'll check the tension on the balance shaft belt and the timing belt after. But and I'll connect all this stuff here later. I'm not gonna, right now I'm just gonna crank the engine and make sure it starts first. If it starts, I'm really happy and we'll go from there. Alright? It's gonna cut out because the actual MS meter is not in yet, but just to start. One more time. That's good news, everything started. Don't worry about the exhaust noise because I haven't put the exhaust back on. The bottom flange is rusted. I've got to clean it up. So start first go. I'm going to put this back on here and there. Check the actual tension on both belts, and then finalize the rest and put it back on. Put some coolant and see if it doesn't overheat. Make sure it's okay. Make sure everything's fine, and then we'll go from there. So you just put the nut on just for now. I haven't put the other belts on yet, just to start it up. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.